avión privado, eso me hace diferente. Por eso me quiere la gente, lo humilde no se me ha quitado. Y yo vivo enamorado, que viva la mujer. La vida es mejor con billetes, 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 forrado en cash. Ya tú sabes. Voy caminando con zapatos brillantes, cambié el aluminio por los diamantes. Antes me decían ese fulano, ahora soy don Emilio, mi hermano. ¿Tú te imaginas de dónde salí? Ahora yo tengo mi casa en París. Mi novia nueva está mejor que Shakira. Con billetes como cambia la vida. La vida es mejor con billetes. 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 Oye, bien engabanado, bien forrado, hasta yo mismo estoy asustado. ¡Opa! ¡Volando! ¡Billetes! La vida es mejor con billetes. ¡Hey, hey, hey, hey! ¡Dímelo! La vida es mejor con billetes. Ya tú sabes. La vida es mejor con billetes. Llegar en mi limusín sin preocupar lo que cueste. Vivir bien arrebatado, sin pedir nada prestado, gastando a lo exagerado, lleno de lujos por siempre. La vida es mejor con billetes. Con billetes como cambia la vida. La vida es mejor con billetes. La vida es mejor con billetes.
I'm still the same, just a little bit richer. You still the same, but a little bit thicker. I'm in a spot, they call me Mister. I swipe my visa, got real fans, it's deeper. I still ain't giving out no feature. My name's still ringing like I'm Bieber. I'm on my ones like Chasey Beaker. I'm R9 in the Liga. Ling one say she like flowers, I gotta buy her a bunch. All these labels on me, I get my pick of the bunch. I'm calling the album Give Thanks, right now I'm feeling love. All the fans in my DMs, I'm busy, but it's love. I'm in the cab with a bad one, you and your block with it. I don't pop out like pimple, more time I keep it simple. All of my tunes are deeper, that ain't no Christmas jingle. I'm overseas way more than a little, I should be bilingual. I see them lose their mind, not everyone's a number 9, not everyone's...
All eyes on one man. 3 goals in 3 games, and you can't argue with that. We're live on EA TV. Hello there, our football travels have taken us to the eastern part of the English capital. A clear night here at the London Stadium. I'm Derek Ray, your match commentator, and alongside providing all the tactical analysis is Stuart Robson. And very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It's West Ham United taking on Manchester United.
Well, Derek, we can talk about coaches and their methods, but it's now down to the players. Which ones are going to stand out, who will affect the game, and who will have the greater desire? It should be a cracking game, though.
And a look at the West Ham 11. Yassine Bounou is the goalkeeper. Stanislav Lobotka plays alongside James Ward-Prowse in central midfield. And it's 2 strikers up front who will look to provide the goal-scoring threat.
Number 33, Emerson. Number 20.
And here's the lineup for Manchester United.
Well, it's a 4-3-3 formation with a centre-forward and 2 wingers. So it's important that the midfield players give support to the striker whenever the ball goes wide. They can't allow him to be isolated.
And the game begins. Lucas Paquetá. It's opening up for them. Well, a classic example of how to intercept. Trying to open them up. Paquetá. Nicely timed tackle. Højlund. Enzo Lefebvre. Can he convert? Well, just fractionally wide. Good strike. Well, it was interesting to look at the table, and what can we say about these runaways, for want of a better word?
Well, they're in a great position at the moment, as you mentioned, Derek, and you have to say their football has been exhilarating at times. If they can keep everybody fit, they should win the title comfortably.
Really clever pressing. Wanted a victory, Manchester United, in the last game, but instead a draw against Southampton. What are your thoughts? How might this game go for them?
Well, that 1-1 draw at home wasn't really the result they wanted. Today, they just need to play with a bit more freedom, and if they can do that, they'll win this one.
Well, he always has to be regarded as a dangerous opponent, so what should we expect to see from him in this game, Stuart?
Well, he's very much a confidence player, and at the moment his confidence must be high. 3 goals in the last 3 games, and I think he's got every chance of scoring another one today.
Oh, that's a super piece of defending. Got to it easily, the keeper. De Ligt. Oh, nice ball over the top. Foiling his opponent completely. Now possibilities in the centre. And the keeper making sure nothing untoward happened. United doing well to regain possession. Clears his lines. Ward-Prowse. On to David. And a strong tackle. Stanislav Lobotka. In possession, Bowen. He read the situation defensively and did his job. De Ligt. Frimpong. And tidily played. Chance to play it in. Insufficient guile on the crossing front, you've got to say. Stanislav Lobotka. Promising looking attack from West Ham. Can they forge ahead? Oh, a tremendous block. Well, he's certainly not alone. And credit is due for that good piece of defending. Grimaldo. Throw into Manchester United. Oh, he's given the ball away unnecessarily. Paquetá. On to David. Lucas Paquetá. Well, nothing to split the two sides, but this move looks promising. Oh, good hit, close shave. Jeremy Frimpong. Kusunu. Grimaldo. De Ligt. Frimpong. Kusunu. United might be able to cash in. Really fine piece of defending play to break us up. Sofal. In possession, Bowen. Vladimir Sofal. Max Kilman. It's with Emerson. Clean challenge. For the lead here. And that is the sort of tackle he had scripted in his mind. Ward-Prowse. David. In possession, Bowen. Excellent vision. A good and fair challenge. Good through ball. Well, a poor attempt at a challenge, and on he goes. That's how it looked, but full credit to him for atoning for the error. Lobotka. Edson Alvarez. And West Ham in a position of menace. Well, disappointing end to the move. Took a really smart piece of defending to stop them. Lucas Paqueta. The ball with James Ward-Prowse. Moving the ball nicely, but can they forge ahead? Great opportunity! Well, somehow the goalkeeper got to it. Let's see about the delivery. Opportunity in the air.
Well, he just couldn't get above it. A decent effort, though.
It needs an accurate cross. And just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages. Edson Alvarez. And there it is, the half-time whistle. That will do it for the first half here at the London Stadium. Well, probably a fair assessment of his first half's work would be a mixed bag.
Well, he didn't contribute enough in that first half. I think he needs to work harder to get on the ball. He was far too static. In my view, he's got to make more runs behind this back line in the second half.
Away they go again. Second half is underway here. Frimpong. Intercepting it intelligently. David. The ball with James Ward-Prowse. Just have to make sure they don't get caught on the counter-attack. Well, it looked so promising, but it all comes to nothing. Frimpong. Just a reminder, we have more absorbing action from the Premier League coming your way here on EA TV. It's West Ham United facing Burnley. They're just leaning back a bit and over the bar. Kusunu. Grimaldo. Oh, he's given the ball away. Edson Alvarez. Lobotka. The crowd encouraging him to take it on. And the keeper making sure that was pushed well away from danger. Must take the lead here. Oh, that is a wonderful piece of challenging. Sofal. The Hammers finding space on the flank. Splendid tackle and a throw-in coming up. Teammates available. And veering in. And nobody applying pressure. Oh, that's a fine save. Potentially freedom for United on the flank. But nothing comes of it. "30 minutes left for play. A chance to whip it in. Danger averted. And don't forget, we have more Premier League action coming up for you on EA TV. It's Manchester United taking on Leicester City. Doyle. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. To concentrate to the full under duress. Edson Alvarez. And space for West Ham in the wide position. But quick thinking defensively. Højlund. It's going to be United's free kick.
with the licence plate.
Here it is now, a substitution.
KK, please contact the nearest security. Thank you.
Setting off perhaps a little bit too much here. Odilon Kusunu. Grimaldo with it. Oh, great vision. Not the best challenge, free kick. Defensive Brazilians to shut them down. Rashford. Accurate ball in towards the near post. Well, nothing comes of it. Just 20 minutes remaining now. David. Edson Alvarez. Good through ball. Now they have possession in a good area of the pitch. Feeding it through. Well, it looks so promising, but a goal kicked the outcome. Mitoma. Very effective pass. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Lucas Paqueta. Room to roam on the wing for West Ham. But the danger averted for now. Oh, that's splendid play. Will it lead to the goal that puts them ahead? It's still alive. United looking to forge ahead. Let's see if the corner helps them.
Well, that reaction tells you just what a good save that was.
And there's the delivery. Well, you're not going to bamboozle the goalkeeper with a corner like that. It's a fine United move in the making. And the penalty is given. The referee right on the spot. And now a chance for them to take the lead here. And on the back of that decision, now it's a caution.
Well, it's a tight call, but in the end, I think he's got it right. A penalty and a yellow card.
This to make it 1-0. And in it goes, as coolly as you like. Never in any doubt from the spot.
Well, here it is again. He makes it look so easy. The keeper dives slightly early, and he passes it into the other side. Really confident finish.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Jean-Philippe Mateta. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. Now, who can he play it to? They are making headway, but really they need a goal with time not on their side. Beautiful pass. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. And a West Ham throw-in coming up here. Well, for United, it's almost a case of job done. Not quite yet, officially speaking. Stuart, what have you made of their performance today?
Well, it's been a tight game, but I think they've been the better team. They've just had that little bit more quality, certainly in attack, and of course they've been well organised at the back. They just need to see this through now.
Now they're going to alter things. Here's the substitution. Well, they fancy a short one. Oh, moving it nicely. Well, you've got to classify that as a poor attempt. A long way wide. Marcus Rashford. And nicely over the top. And both hands on it. Good goalkeeping. And the referee sees that as a foul. Free kick given. Paqueta. How can they find a late leveller? Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Oh, nice ball. Lobotka. Here's Füllkrug. And the referee is going to add on 4 added minutes. And defensive play to be applauded. Can they hit on the break? That's a lovely ball. There's so many possibilities, but it didn't happen for them. Lobotka. On to David. Emerson. Rashford couldn't keep it. Rodriguez. And there goes the final whistle. Manchester United are the winners today anyway. What did you think of their performance all told?
Yes, Derek, there wasn't much in it, to be honest. Really competitive game with chances at both ends, but they probably just about edged it overall and deserved the result in the end.
Well, a strong contribution as we've come to expect from Marcus Rashford. What did you make of him?
Well, he obviously scored the winning goal, but it was his overall performance that impressed me most. He was on fire today.
And the game begins. Enzo Lefebvre. Can he convert? Well, just fractionally wide. Good strike. Oh, good hit. Moving the ball nicely, but let's see about the delivery. Opportunity in the air. I'm just leaning back a bit and over the bar. Feeding it through. Well, it looked so promising, but a goal kicked the outcome. Will it lead to the goal that puts them ahead? And in it goes, as coolly as you like. Never had any doubt from the spot. Oh, moving it nicely. Well, and the game begins. And the penalty is given. And the challenge apparently was timed perfectly. That's the referee's view. And on the back of that decision, now it's a caution.
Well, it's a tight call, but in the...
And the penalty is given.